Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 car dent repair machines. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, 1380 watts car dent repair remover tool. Specifications. Brand name, Auto. Origin, CN origin. Type of sheet metal tools, sheet metal tool set. Color, blue. Sheet metal tool set pieces, 9 pieces /set with storage box. The item number 2 is 220 volts car dent repair remover. Specifications. Brand name, aliexpress. Origin, CN origin. Model name, PDR 1000. Electronic, no. Hardware version, standard. Item height, 16.5 centimeters. Item length, 17 centimeters. Power, 1000 watts. Material type, metal. Item type, other. Special features, paintless dents repair. Item weight, 3 kilograms. Voltage, AC 220 volts / AC 110 volts. Item width, 22 centimeters. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Woyo PDR 007. Specifications. Model number, PDR 007. Modified item, no. Country / region of manufacture, China. Non-domestic product, no. Custom bundle, no. Type, repair tool. Voltage, 110-120 volts. Max voltage, 120 volts. Warranty, 3 years. Model, PDR 007. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.